Is your Deebot T10 giving you the silent treatment? You press the button, you hear that little chime of promise, but it just sits there silently judging your messy floors. The Deebot T10 not moving problem is a common headache for owners. It's almost always caused by a double failure, a faulty cliff sensor and a dead left wheel module. In simple terms, your robot thinks it's about to fall off a cliff while also having a sprained ankle. So as a safety measure, it refuses to move. Continuing to mash that power button won't convince it otherwise, and you risk putting extra stress on its mainboard. Your cleaning partner is officially on strike. Before disaster strikes, call the experts. This is where the experts at RoboCare come in. At RoboCare, we are Deebot repair specialists. Our technicians have years of experience with the entire Deebot lineup, and they know the T10 model inside and out. We've seen the Deebot T10 not moving issue countless times. We use specialized diagnostic equipment to confirm the failure is in the faulty left cliff sensor and wheel module, ensuring we fix the right problem the first time. Our process is meticulous. We carefully replace the malfunctioning parts with genuine components and then test the robot thoroughly. This isn't just a quick fix. It's a professional robot vacuum repair. But talk is cheap. Now let's show you the results. After a professional repair by our technicians, it's back in action, navigating flawlessly, tweening powerfully, and keeping your home spotless once again. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
So if your robot vacuum is giving you grief, I can't recommend RoboCare enough. They saved my robot from a landfill, and their communication was fantastic from start to finish. If your robot vacuum is giving you any trouble, I'm telling you, just get in touch with them. Seriously, they're the real deal.
Is your robot vacuum acting up? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our service center or use our easy courier service to get started today.